In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent AI avatars for UGC ads. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Guys, I found the perfect protein. Gold standard 100% whey by Optimum Nutrition with 24 grams of protein and an amazing chocolate flavor. It mixes so well, and I can really feel the difference in my recovery after workouts. Click the link and get yours now. You're going to love it.
So to create that video and avatar, first we need to go to novoads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings. And here in model, we have to go to GPT image 2. Or you can use any other model, but I prefer GPT image 2. And here, I prefer to use the medium quality because it's much cheaper. Now here, to create our AI avatar, we can use a prompt as simple as this one. As you can see, it's very simple. And let's try it. But personally, I prefer to use more complex prompts. And as you can see here, I prefer to create images of the AI avatar with the product of the video. So what I'm going to do is here, where it says describe your image, use the following prompt that I'm going to put in the comment section, so you can modify it as you want. And now we have to click in reference and upload an image of our product, that in this case is a protein. Now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect, here we have the AI avatars, and as you can see, the ones that we created with generic prompts, the truth is that these images, I don't like it to use it. This one is the only avatar that maybe I would use, but imagine that you have to create an ad, an UGC ad, for this protein. Which avatar do you prefer? These ones or these others? I think that the answer is very obvious. So now, to use these images as an avatar, we have to choose one. So let's use this one, for example. Let's download the image. And now we have many options. The first one is use it, for example, here in video, go to settings, and you can use this image as a reference for a Seedance 2.0 video, or personally, I prefer Clink 3.0. Another option is to use the functionality of talking actors. So I'm going to teach you how to use this one, and then you can use this same avatar for as many videos you want. So now let's click here in Add Actors. Now we have to go to My Actors. Now we have to click here, and now here. Now again here. And now we have to upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Now click in Select Actor. Now here where it says Select Voice. And now we have to filter the voice. So let's choose in gender, female, age, young, language, English. And in accent, let's choose American, for example. So now we have to search for a voice that we like.
Check out the new promotion from Globe.
Handicraft.
This degree cost me a lot of tears and caffeine.
Hi there. Thanks.
When you first embark on your learning journey, give yourself some grace.
Well, I like this one, so I'm going to pick this voice. Now we have to click in Create Actor. And now if we go down here, we can see that here we have the actress. So now to create videos, for example, let's close this. You can go to Add Actors, My Actors, and you will see always your actor or actress. So let's click here and save changes. And now to use it, we just have to click here. Now here, where it says write what the actor will say, I'm going to use the following dialogue. Here you can see that I add some emotions. So to add this, what you should do is open a bracket, then put the emotion, for example, happy, and then close it. Now let's erase this. And now what I always recommend to do is to listen the audio before creating the video. So now let's click here. And now in like 10 to 20 seconds, we will listen the audio. So now let's click here.
Guys, I found the perfect protein. Gold standard 100% whey by Optimum Nutrition with...
Well, I like it, so I'm going to use this voice. So now let's click here, and now click in Generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. But I want to show you that this actress, you can use it as many as you want. So let's select our actress. Let's click here in Save Changes. And now let's put a little text like, hello, welcome to novoads. And let's put happy. Now let's click here. Let's listen the audio. We have to wait like 10 seconds.
Hello, welcome to novoads.
Well, I'm going to reduce here a little bit the stability and increase this parameter, increase a little bit the speed, and increase this parameter. So now let's regenerate the audio, and now click here.
Hello, welcome to novoads.
Well, I preferred this one, so I'm going to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait like 30 seconds because the text was very small. Perfect, here we have the two videos, so now let's see it. So let's see it, the shorter one first.
Hello, welcome to novoads.
And now let's see the longer one.
Guys, I found the perfect protein. Gold standard 100% whey by Optimum Nutrition with 24 grams of protein and an amazing chocolate flavor. It mixes so well, and I can really feel the difference in my recovery after workouts. Click the link and get yours now. You're going to love it.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. And actually, I want to tell you that you can do videos as long as you want with this functionality. So if you want to do a video like 5 minutes long, you can do it. So well, if you liked the video, I wanted to tell you that in novoads, we have a promotion that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits, which you can use to create a video of 1 minute long with the talking actors functionality. So I recommend you to try the platform. It's literally less than a coffee, the cost. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and see you in the next video.